Alright, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Millennial Generating Wealth. This is going to be week 7 towards that journey towards $1 million. If y'all tuned in last week, the week 6's video, then y'all already know that I said stock market was getting ready to do a pullback or a correction, and the stock was going to fall soon. Well, it did exactly what I said it was going to do. The stocks dropped down a little bit. I moved over $1,000 into this account so that once the stock market opens back up after this weekend, which will be on Tuesday since Monday is a holiday, I can go ahead and buy some shares at a cheaper price. In last week's video, we ended out with $154,078. Right now, we're sitting at $152,815. But you know, the stock market right now is basically just saying, hey, come holler at me. Got some stocks on sale for you. So, we about to go shopping. And also, if y'all look at the performance for the past month, we're up nearly $8,000, which is 5.49%. And if you look at the performance for the past 3 months, we're close to being up around $16,000, which is about 11.5%. So I'll say, as I always say before, you know, the stock market is not a straight line up. It's going to be a roller coaster, and you're going to have your ups and downs. You know, if you can't mentally handle seeing the stock prices fluctuate, you know, go up and down, then investing may not be for you, and you should just stick to keeping your money in a bank, which, by the way, is a horrible idea. Letting your cash sit in the bank is where essentially it'll accumulate 0% interest, and it will pretty much just rot away due to inflation, and your cash will actually be worth less money in the long run. This is why investing is definitely the more superior option. Now, there is another alternative, which is a high yield savings account, which is better than just letting your money sit in the bank, but I'll make a video on that in the future down the line, and it still ain't better than investing. Now, I didn't do much options trading this week, and as far as the day trading stock side of things, what I ended up doing was called a swing trade, which is basically where you hold the stock that you're trading for more than a day until you wait till it hits a price that you're comfortable selling it at. That's basically called a swing trade. Some people do it for multiple days, or you can do it for weeks or even months. Now, personally, I ain't about to do it that long. So, with all that being said, let's go ahead and hop into the transactions I made for this week. So, on February 12th, I made a total of $151. On February 13th, I made a total of $35. On February 14th, I made $20. On February 15th, I made $41. And then on February 16th, I made $280. Total enough to be $527 this week from trading. So even though this week we saw the stocks pull back quite a bit and drop down, I was still able to get paid $527. So that right there is the magic of trading options and day trading. You can create passive income in your portfolio, and once your account is at a substantial balance, the amount of money that you can generate from selling options essentially can replace your 9-to-5 job. Throughout this journey of mine, my goal is to stay transparent with y'all and show a realistic picture of how the stock market moves up and down, how it affects your portfolio, and also show the income that can be generated by day trading and also trading options at a conservative rate. Now, you can actually make quite a bit more trading options and stuff, but that also comes with more risk. And like I said, I'm just doing it at a conservative rate. Now, there's a whole lot of different options and strategies on how to use those options. I'm really just using a few of them. So, with all that being said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again, and I'll catch y'all next week.